Welcome investors! Today I want to follow up after my previous video when I was talking about the dollar losing its strength. So under this video I saw the comment made by David, and he's asking if you can buy the Chinese currency in United States and if this is a good idea. So this video is going to be about these two questions which David is asking, and I'll talk about this right now. So the first part, if you can buy the Chinese currency in US, I don't know. The answer to this question is very quick and simple. Second part, if this is a good idea to buy the Chinese currency, I'll elaborate on this right now. So let me give you some context where I come from. Currently I live in the United States for past 20 years, but I come from Poland. Poland is the country which for almost 70 years was under the umbrella, I would say, of Soviet Union. We were basically a slave to the Soviet Union. Fast forward to the year 1990-95, in Poland we have devaluation of our currency because in 80s, 70s, 80s especially, there was really bad economic situation because we had the communist government and the economy was centrally planned, which is the worst thing which can happen to the economy ever. Planning centrally from the top government what the little guy on the bottom is going to do. So what this caused? This caused that by 1995 the inflation in Poland was 1395%. So Poland decided to denominate the currency because the numbers were going just into the millions. So the denomination was one new currency is going to be worth 10,000 units of the old currency. So basically from 1995 I believe to 2010 you could exchange the old money to the new money. So basically the Polish economy was in a really horrible state, and there was denomination, and this caused that a lot of people lost a lot of money. In the end, millions of zloty translating into the dollars as well was not exchanged. People were thinking that if they're gonna hold to the old currency, they will have, this currency will have some value. End up worthless, end up paper. You can buy on eBay or Allegro, that's kind of Polish eBay, Polish money from back then, 80s, 90s, million zlotych, 2 million zlotych, which is worthless right now. Why I'm telling you this? Because China is a country which is a communist country where economy is being planned from the top to the bottom, which, like I said, is the worst thing which can happen to the economy. So far China has been doing great, The country is growing, it's going to surpass, probably already surpassed with GDP United States, and it's probably number one right now. But I tell you what is my opinion about this, what's gonna happen with China. China as the communist country, not a free country, is giving to its citizens a little bit of freedom, but if they go too far, they gotta be pounded. This eventually will cause huge uprising. Huge uprising, because people, if you give them a little bit of freedom, if they taste this, they won't go all the way. They want to go all the way. That's what's going to happen with China eventually. When? I don't know. It might happen next month, might happen next year, might happen within the next 10 years. But it will happen. It will happen because Chinese people already got the taste of freedom. And slowly, slowly, slowly they will build the desire to have 100% of freedom, not 50%. Because they want to be free, the same as people in United States are free, people in China also wants to be free. And what this is gonna happen, when this is gonna happen, like I said, I don't know. But the model which I showed you with Poland, it's kind of prediction what is going to happen to the currency, to the value of the currency. The same situation happened in the Soviet Union in 1991. There was a collapse of Soviet Union. There was a collapse of currency. So for those reasons, I would not buy Chinese currency, because it is a communist country, it is not a free society, it is a dictatorship, and you don't know what is going to happen with this country. I told you that this country is going to probably implode, which I believe that will happen, because you cannot keep almost 2 billion people all the time giving them 50% of freedom. They want another 50% of freedom. So I'm assuming that your question was related to this, what I was talking during the video, that China is now accommodating more and more gold, is becoming superpower, and you assume that the currency is also gonna be worth of buying. Absolutely not. I don't believe that Chinese currency is a good investment to buy at all, for those reasons like I already stated. It's not a free country, it's dictatorship, human rights are completely not respected, there is no freedom of no political freedom, there is some economical freedom, some. So for those reasons, like I said, I would not buy the Chinese currency. I would rather buy the gold. If you want to buy something, I would rather buy physical gold, because this is a place where you can store the value, and people were storing the value in gold for past 4,000 years. And it doesn't matter if China falls apart or I don't know, if US falls apart, gold is still going to be a place which the thing and which people will value. Buy gold, buy physical gold. Me personally, I bought gold mining stocks, which is much more risky than owning the physical gold, but at the same, on another spectrum, it's you can get much more rewards. You can take a look at my previous videos about gold mining stocks, which I own. I own Yamana Gold, Kinross Gold, Barrick Gold, and Anglo Gold Ashanti. I bought them in 2019, May, June, July. As of right now, they are 200-300%. Some of them are 400%, the smaller one, Yamana Gold and Kinross Gold. So that is my take about Chinese currency. Generally, I'm not going to invest in any currencies, even US dollar, because I would rather own the stocks. Because if dollar collapses, they will do conversion from dollar to another currency which is going to be publicly used. Bitcoin doesn't matter to me. or it's gonna be a pound, or it's gonna be a yuan, or it's gonna be a zloty, or it's gonna be no matter what. Currencies I would consider as a speculation, not a vehicle for investing, for keeping a large amount in your portfolio. It's for speculating. And me personally, I'm not really a smart guy and I don't know how to speculate, so I stay away from buying any currencies. So I don't own any currencies in my portfolio. Only stocks and mutual funds. Okay, so that, I hope that answered your question. If you have any comments about this, what I said, please write them down under the video. If you like the video, hit the thumb up, subscribe to the channel, share the video with your friends on all social media. I deeply appreciate your help with building very simple investing channel. Thank you so much for your valuable time spending with me right here. If you were not there, I wouldn't be here. Thank you again for your time. Have a great day.